Hello, welcome to our tutorial on single banner widget. Are you looking for the perfect tool to start advertising within your mobile store? Adding banners is an excellent method to drive more traffic and increase your sales. You can start marketing your products through the single banner widget of Swipecart, where you add one banner and drive traffic. In this tutorial, we will show you how to customize this widget. All it takes is a few clicks and you are ready with your first marketing banner. Now, let's start with adding the single banner widget to your mobile store's design. On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. In the widget panel drop-down, select Single Banner. On clicking it, you will see the different style variants with different size ratios. Drag and drop a suitable UI variant to the design section. First, let's select Add/Edit Image. Here, you can perform two actions. Upload a suitable banner image or video. If needed, you can link it to a product, collection, page, or an external URL. This means your customers will be redirected to the added link when they click the banner. Case 1. Uploading an image/video and interlinking it to any page. Ensure that the internal linking box remains checked. Now, select Upload an image/video to upload the desired banner from your computer. Now, select the product, collection, page, or external link to which you want to link the banner to. Once done, click Save Banner. Your banner is ready. Case 2. Uploading an image/video without any linking. Start by unchecking the internal linking box. Now, the option to link to a product, collection, page, or any external link is hidden. Now, select Upload an image/video to upload the desired banner from your computer. Once done, click Save Banner. Hover over it and select Edit Style to customize the appearance of the banner. As you make changes here, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Here, you can alter the radius, padding, and container padding of the banner. In the widget title section, you can name your banner and customize the name. You can alter the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight. The video section will appear only if you have uploaded a video to your banner. Here, you can enable the toggle to autoplay the video and choose to mute or unmute the video. The background column lets you add custom colors or images to the banner. On selecting color, you can add color to your banner. Click Image to upload an image for your banner. There are no limitations on the image size. Click None to not have any image or color. To add shadow to your banner, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Save the changes. Making a copy of the banner is easy with Swipecart. Hover over the banner in the design section and select Copy Block. Your banner is copied. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. You can also delete this block. Hover over the banner and click Remove Block. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the banner on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the banner on your mobile store. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.